So here's a short video I made this last weekend. I only had a few hours to get out fishing each day. So I just went to some local ponds. The one pond they stocked with trout, but I haven't been able to seem to catch them on the trout bait or what I'm working, which is weird to me. So they're mostly strange trout or something. So, anyways, I just caught a few bullheads. Here's the video of me catching the few bullheads.
For the only thing that lives in these ponds. They stock trout in the other pond, but I don't think they know how to catch them. We got one bullhead. And we got another one. It's a giant. Look at how big it is. So Musky is trying to fish at a different pond. I was busy today applying for some jobs. I'm tired from a trip I took for a job interview, but we found this sweet ball that got washed into the pond. But the fish are not biting it at this pond. I'll tell you that much. I fished here for like an hour and a half and I haven't got it. So I think we actually got one. It's been real slow. This is a little carp.